Here's the thing, dams don't feel loudly, they feel silently underwater where no one is looking and can kill thousands of people. As early as September 2025, the Luthi Dam collapsed, killed 4, injured 20, and swept away 3, never to be found again. And here's the problem, by the time we notice the pattern, it's already too late. So we built something that looks where humans can't, quite literally watching the abyss.
This is our prototype. Small, slick, shark inspired. Because sharks are simply terrifyingly efficient. Come on, you've seen Jaws, haven't you? Is it just me? Okay. Hydrodynamic body. 3 fins for directional control. A topsail to break water tension. And yes, it literally opens by rotating the body. It's designed to be simple, repairable, and actually usable in real conditions. Inside this thing, we've got a Raspberry Pi Zero W handling video streaming and communication. Also, it has an ESP32 doing what it does the best, talking to sensors and controlling movement. We have a single motor propulsion because efficiency always has a heavier hand on over engineering. We also have 10 LEDs because dams are basically underwater caves. Alas, we also have a buoy to make sure it doesn't go blank the second we go underwater.
But hardware, that's the easy part. The real magic is the software. We stream live footage at a clear 720p resolution because if you can't see, you can't really fix anything, can you now? And then there's the AI. Most projects at OpenCV and call it a day. We built an entire original AI we named Poseidon's Eye. We trained it from scratch on over 10,000 different images, detecting structural faults underwater with up to 90% accuracy. That's above industry level standards. And every second we collect data from our IMU depth pressure sensor, internal and external temperature sensors, TDS sensors, and we don't just dump the numbers, we visualize everything beautifully. And then there's a full diagnostic log console because when things go wrong, they go wrong fast. One click for arming, disarming, and data logging. Every run generates a data file. Hit one button and we turn it into an interactive graph using Folium. And yes, you can control the entire submarine from a laptop using keybinds like WASD, be it for convenience, be it for professionalism. Because, well, if it's not fun to control, something is deeply wrong.
Didn't just build this in isolation. We attended a national underwater ROV conference, spoke to industry founders, and even consulted dam infrastructure experts. One of them, Haridev, said, the architecture combined with the insane affordability and AI assistance is not being used on ground in India yet. Right now, it's remotely operated, but the future? Autonomous fault detection. A system that doesn't just observe but thinks. Because sustainability isn't just about building new things, it's about protecting that we already have. Dams don't fail loudly, but with right technology, maybe they don't have to fall at all.